Hi, this is Eddie, and I'm part of the sales team here at North Hollywood Toyota. Got behind me a 2026 Toyota BZ. I'm going to show you a quick video about this car.
Alright guys, here it is, the 2026 Toyota BZ. This vehicle got a huge update for 2026. It now has 299 miles of range and charge time of 8 hours on 240 volts. It updated the styling of the headlights, and some models come with color keyed over fenders. Let's take a look at the inside. So it does have a smart key entry system, so it unlocks automatically, and this is the limited trim. As you can see, the interior is really well appointed. Very nice soft text leather seats. They are heated and ventilated, so the cold air comes out of these perforations when it's ventilated. And of course, the seats are power adjustable as well. You have soft touch materials all throughout this interior, and cup holders in the center console, and you do have this center armrest with a storage space underneath. You have dual wireless charging pads for your smartphones, and this one has an upgraded 14-inch touchscreen display that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And when you put it in reverse, you can see the backup camera as well as a 360-degree overhead camera view. This vehicle also has JBL premium audio. This particular vehicle also comes equipped with a digital rear view mirror. You also have a panoramic glass roof with a power sunshade. Moving to the rear, you do have a smart key entry system in the rear as well, and you have the same really nice materials here on the rear seats. Soft text leather that is perforated, very, very comfortable. The seats do fold flat for added storage space. You also have a fold down center armrest with cup holders here, and also rear facing AC vents. The seats are heated as well, and you also have charge ports for the rear passenger. This particular vehicle also comes with an auto lift gate that is accessible hands-free, very, very convenient, and as you can see, lots of storage space in the back.
Thanks for watching that quick video about the 2026 Toyota BZ. We're North Hollywood Toyota. We're a family-owned business that's been serving this community for 40 years, and we'd love to have an opportunity to earn your business. So please give us a call. The phone number's on the screen, and you can visit us here at 4606 Lankershim Boulevard, right off the 134 exit. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing you here in person.